What's the meaning of cross-hatching? Cross-hatching. Cross-hatching.
Cross-hatching. Cross-hatching. Cross-hatching is a drawing technique where lines are layered on top of each other at different angles to create the illusion of depth and shading. By intersecting lines in close proximity, this method gives a drawing a textured, layered appearance with varying degrees of light and dark contrast. It is often used in pen and ink illustrations and comic book art. The result is a visually dynamic, complex image that can add depth and dimension to any drawing or illustration.